How to use Earnify at the pump. I'm going to tell you how to use Earnify at the pump. Earnify is an app that helps you earn rewards and cashback when you buy fuel at participating gas stations. To use it, you first download the Earnify app and create an account. Before you fill up, open the app and look for nearby partner stations where you can earn points or cashback. When you arrive at the pump, use the app to either pay directly through Earnify or link your payment method to automatically track your purchase. Some stations require you to scan a QR code on the pump or enter a code in the app to activate your rewards. After you pay and fuel up, Earnify will confirm your purchase and credit your account with points or cashback, which you can redeem later for discount or gift cards. It's a simple way to save money on gas just by using your phone while you pump.